Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to find the gravity, okay, acceleration due to gravity. So actually we know in simple pendulum the time period will be t is equal to 2 pi root of L by G. T is a time taken for one oscillation, L is the length of the pendulum, G is the gravity. This video I am going to show you how to calculate the gravity. Just I want to square all the full equation. T square is equal to 4 pi square L by G. G is equal to 4 pi square L by T square. So now we know I'm going to take it length is 30 centimeter. Okay. So the pendulum length will be 30 centimeter. So because of that, so G is equal to 4 pi is a 3.14 whole square into 30 centimeter. So still I have not taken as in a meter, so it's a 0.30 centimeter a meter. Okay, so 4 pi square L I got. Okay, so T square I don't know what is a T square. Now I am going to show you how to calculate the T square. See, you need to take it clock. Okay, and oscillation where you can take it from here to went maximum point and a negative maximum point, then 0, you can take it as a one oscillation. Otherwise from here like this you can take it as a one oscillation. Okay, so I'm going to calculate how much time taken for 20 oscillations. See here, so just I'm going to look the clock how the time how much time is taking for 20 oscillation. Okay, so just I left the pendulum. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. So I got the time of 22 seconds. Okay, so that means time period is 20 oscillation, it's taken as 22 seconds. So that means one oscillation is 22 by 20. So we will get it as this cancellation will get as 1.1 second for one oscillation. Actually T square only we should find. Okay, so T square is equal to 1.1 into 1.1. So the answer is going to be it's 1.21. So T square I got as 1.21. So G is equal to 4 into 3.14 whole square into is 0.30 divided by T is 1.21. T square is the 1.21. Okay, now we are going to get the gravity. This calculation is going to give us the answer of G is equal to 9.77 meter per second square. So this is a way to find acceleration due to gravity present on our earth. Thank you.